Hey, it's Mike and today I want to talk about Marathon Patent Group Inc. It trades on the Nasdaq on symbol MARA. The stock was up over 5%, up to $11 a share. Has come back down a little bit in the pre-market, down to 1075. However, over the past month, Marathon Patent Group has done really well, more than doubling over the past month, and mainly because Marathon Patent Group is a Bitcoin miner, and so this stock is going to move up and down with the Bitcoin market. And as a miner, it is a leverage play on Bitcoin because they have a bunch of mining machines, so they're able to get Bitcoin into their pocket at a lower price than the going market price. So here's a couple of reasons why I really love Marathon Patent Group, and I think it's the top Bitcoin mining stock play. One is they have $217 million in cash, which means they can buy more Bitcoin mining machines. And in December 28th, they announced that they had purchased 70,000 S19 ASIC miners for $170 million. So what this really means is that they're so far ahead of anybody that wants to get into Bitcoin mining this year. They have, look, 70,000 machines, and they have the money to buy all the other machines on the market. So they could essentially just squeeze out any other miner right now with all this cash. You got to imagine that these Bitcoin mining machines, as the price of Bitcoin goes up, is going to be in high demand. And anyone who builds Bitcoin mining machines will be like, all right, well, who has the most money? Well, Marathon Patent Group has $217 million in cash. So they're in an incredible position to benefit from the rise of Bitcoin. And if you looked at the price forecast of Bitcoin, you have Citibank who says Bitcoin could reach $315,000. So that would be a 10x from the current $31,000 level in Bitcoin. Just about every analyst I've seen has given a 100% to 1,000% upward forecast in Bitcoin over the next 12 to 60 months. So you definitely want to take a look at Bitcoin. You also want to take a look at any Bitcoin miner, and Marathon Patent Group is definitely one of the leading Bitcoin miners out there. Bitcoin is very volatile, so that's going to make the Bitcoin miners super volatile. So if you do go into a Bitcoin miner, you want to go into it for the long term, and you can't be bothered about 50% down draws because that's the price you play for playing in such a volatile space. However, I definitely think if you have a long-term view, being in a Bitcoin miner would definitely be worth it because I do think Bitcoin has now reached a phase where it's becoming a lot more mainstream where you can buy Bitcoin on PayPal. You have companies like MicroStrategy investing hundreds of $1 millions in diversifying their treasury into Bitcoin. So definitely check out Marathon Patent Group. It trades on the NASDAQ on the symbol MARA. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.